Hi, my name is Clash Inspector Day. Inspecting this 10-year-old Mini Cooper. He has part of the service history, some quick fits and etc. in this lifetime. Vehicle haven't sustained any structural damages, any previous repairs. However, this side you will see some imperfections. They will be visible in a few areas. As here on the side, sort of hologram in it. And over here some hologram around it, but it's done to the sort of acceptable standard for the age, I would say, you know. All alloys are scuffed, good tires, brakes, pads 50% worn. This would need replacing discs too. Rear new pads, corroded satisfactory discs. You will see vehicle will have some dings on the bodywork. There's a very fine chew on the bonnet, some stone chips, all in line with age and mileage. Some stone chips on the bonnet, in line with age and mileage. Trim is discolored. There's a scratch here, so there's a very fine ding here and scratch there. Some slight scratches present, as you can see. So as you can see, the alloys. Coming and some scratches around here, all in line with age and mileage. Interior is a bit tired, it needs a full wallet, and stains, and a lot of stains on this particular car, on a roof liner and on the sun visors. Everything on the side is fine. With regards to audio system, the USB audio don't work and Bluetooth audio don't work, I noticed. There is also, I am unable to road test this vehicle due to the fact that all the gates are locked. So I've driven it in the yard, it drives, it goes through the gears as much as, it selects first, second, that much I can do. There is a problem with the cooling system. The fan comes on a full blast. Bottom hose is cold, so there is a more likely a thermostat issue. So also we don't know how long it's been driven like that. Regards to engine, right? When it's first started, it's fine. There is a bit of very fine tapping I can sort of feel. Considering this engine and these engine issues, I will consider everything still in satisfactory condition. Obviously, it's getting to the 10-year-old. They do have some chain issues, so it is at a time where something at some point in future will more likely happen, right? But at the moment, I'll consider everything satisfactory. So some trim wear. That's about this vehicle. I hope it helps. Thanks for using us.